Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. In today's video, we are going to be making a very delicious fish vegetable stew. Whether you're eating healthy, cooking for family, or meal prepping, this quick and easy Nigerian vegetable sauce is the answer. It's perfect for white rice, yam, or even boiled plantain. This easy vegetable sauce is made with fresh green leaf like ugu, spinach, and the rest of them. Don't forget to like, comment, and share this video. To begin, here I have my king fish. You want to cut and clean them nicely. Go in with salt and set aside. In a blender, combine your fresh tomatoes, red bell pepper, scotch bonnet pepper, onion, and blend until it's smooth. Quickly place a pan on fire and pour in some amount of vegetable oil. While we wait for the vegetable oil to heat up, I will get a little amount of dry crayfish in my blender and give it a quick and nice blend, then set it aside. Back to the heated oil. Drop in the fish carefully one after the other and allow it to fry. So while the fish is frying, let's quickly attend to the vegetable. I'm using kale leaf. So you can use ugu, spinach, or whatever vegetable of choice. Wash your vegetable nicely and remove your sand and dirt. Slice them and set them aside. The fish has been frying for a while now, so it's time to flip the other side of the fish so we can fry both sides. So allow this to fry until it's golden brown. Then you can take it out from the pan. So the fish is ready. I'll be using the fish infused oil to fry my pepper mix. I'll start by adding the sliced onion, curry, garlic and ginger powder. Fry for a few minutes and add the grounded crayfish before introducing the pepper mix. This is to prevent the crayfish from burning. Stir and cover to cook until it's completely dried. So let's go back to the stew. Our stew has been frying for a while, so it's time to add the fried fish and some leftover fried meat. Stir it very well and allow it to continue cooking until it's completely dried and well fried. At this point, our pepper mix is well fried and it's time to introduce the sliced vegetables. Wow, see how healthy this looks. See how green these vegetables are. I love green veggies. I don't know about you. So I'll add my vegetables, stir very well, then add seasoning cube. As you all know, if you've been following my videos, you notice that I don't usually like lots of salt in my food. So one seasoning cube is okay. I'll stir very well and cover again for it to simmer for about 1 to 2 minutes. Always remember that it's always nice to have your vegetables fresh and not overcooked. So guys, at this point our Nigerian fish vegetable sauce is ready. Serve hot over white rice or yam or whatever you wish to, but I'll be having mine with white rice. This is a very low carb, iron rich and high fiber Nigerian sauce, perfect for the whole family. Don't forget to like this video, drop a comment if you tried this recipe, and please subscribe to my channel for more authentic Nigerian food recipe. I'll see you again. It's Lizzy as always. Bye.